Hello. Welcome to this. I think this is probably the final part, maybe, of converting the van to a camper van. I am doing the final touches right now. I'm putting a clear coat on the drawers in the living space, the bench as well, all of the little trims and things we've put on, and also the daybed slash kitchen pullout. So super exciting. We've also got the battery hooked up, ready to go with our accessories just over here, all connected to one cigarette lighter for now. But everything seems to work really well. The roof vent fan, that's the one. The lights and the back fan is all hooked up, connected, ready to go. I do have other plans to fit out some cigarette lighters, one at the back in particular for the air compressor if I ever need it. And also eventually I'll be getting a 12-volt water pump for a outdoor shower, so that we can, you know, if showers are unclean or we don't have access to showers or whatever. It depends what we intend to do. I think at the moment, for next year anyway, because we won't be getting an income per se, we are still most likely going to take the year off and just travel. We will have to stealth camp in some towns, and so that means we're just off grid. We'll have a composting toilet in here that's mobile as well. We'll also have an outdoor shower. We'll have food, of course. The fridge, if I haven't spoken about it before, the fridge is eventually going to go here. This battery, or I'm going to upgrade the battery to something a bit more juicier. Will go next to, in there, will go next to the fridge. You sort of have a little bit of access in here, in the daybed through, it's a little bit of access. I'm not sure if the battery will fit sort of in between those pillars that we've got there, but we'll suss it out. But super excited. Dan and I do go away next week. We'll be going for a short trip on down the Great Ocean Road. Down the Great Ocean Road. That probably makes more sense. So we'll be going down the Great Ocean Road. We've got a trip booked. We've got a few caravan parks booked. We were also staying in a resort with actual accommodation, only because it's our anniversary next week. So yeah, we've been together for 9 years, so I thought I may as well splurge a little bit and treat Dan to a nice little sanctuary resort with hot springs there, bathhouse, day spa, all of that good stuff. So where was I? That's right. Yeah, so I am just giving the final touches. You can sort of see the clear coat I've sort of put on this part here, this part here. I am up to the daybed. I've also done it on the drawers here. So the drawers are sort of done, ready to go. I did take all the handles off and all the latches and everything to do it properly, except for those things, the magnets. Anyway, doesn't matter. Little small things. But yeah, super excited. I hope you enjoy this, I guess, last vlog on the campervan do-up. That's what I'm going to call it. Campervan do-up. Anyway, yeah, so I hope you enjoy this, I guess, last tour before it's all done up. The bed's done up. We've got everything in here, including kitchen utensils, not appliances, but kitchen stuff, cooking stuff, esky, all that. So, yeah, hope you enjoy this. If you do, give it a thumbs up. It does help the channel. Give it a subscribe. Give the channel a subscribe. And I look forward to sharing our travels with you.